Do you know that computers are embedded in our everyday lives? It's possible that you know what a computer is. It's possible that you don't. It's also possible that you're new to the term computers. Good afternoon, and my name is Benedicta. Welcome to CYBERBENICT ICT. I'm here to help you understand what a computer is. A computer is a smart machine that takes in instructions or commands in order to perform a set of tasks. Some examples of computers today are a traditional workstation, which includes a monitor, a central processing unit, external outputs, and input devices to allow it function. Today we have the likes of laptops, tablets, iPads, even your mobile phones, smart TVs. These are all computers. They have computer functionalities embedded in them, which allows you to perform certain tasks, such as send emails, chat with your friends on Facebook, use several applications, be it on your laptop or your mobile devices. With the mobile devices today, we're able to move them from point A to point B compared to traditional workstations that are stationary and at your desk. For the computer to function, it's made up of several parts. We have the traditional based computer systems, which is inclusive of a monitor, the keyboards, the mouse. These are called the input and output devices, the microphone, the monitor that gives us visuals. The types of computers that we have are our laptops, we have our iPads, we have our phones, we have our smart TVs. When we go to the airport or the train stations, sometimes we have mobile devices that allow us buy tickets. Those are computer systems. They've been programmed to receive instructions that you input into it, given the output devices surrounding this machine. You send your instruction, the computer executes it, and you get your ticket. That's what a computer is. It receives instruction from the input and output devices that you have around it. In today's modern laptop design, we already have the keyboard and the mouse embedded into it, which allows us to move them from one location to another. This is an example of a laptop. It's very mobile. I can move it from point A to point B. I can put it in my bag. I can work effectively in an office. I can work at a coffee shop. Wherever I am, I can move with this. However, with the traditional computing systems, you're not able to move them from point A to point B except you're moving homes or changing locations or you're redesigning. They're very stationary, they're quite big, and it's not going to fit in your backpack, okay? So we have several types of operating systems. We have the Windows, we have the Mac OS, and we have the Linux operating systems. So latest versions of the Windows operating systems are the likes of Windows 11, and then we have Apple iOS devices and operating systems. You have them in your phones and laptops. For the Linux operating systems, that operating system is more designed for use by developers and technical individuals in the technology industry. I hope I've been able to deconstruct to you what a computer is. I hope you've been able to understand that you use this in your daily lives. You can encounter it in your daily activities. You're going to be more cautious in identifying these computers and understanding what they do. So in the meantime, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching CYBERBENICT ICT, and see you in my next video.